मुंबई में नीता मुकेश अंबानी के कल्चरल सेंटर के लॉन्च इवेंट में भव्य समारोह कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें कई देशी विदेशी कलाकार शामिल हुए। खेल और बॉलीवुड से जुड़ी हुई तमाम हस्तियां शामिल हुई थी। इसी कड़ी में ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन पहुंची अपनी बेटी के साथ इवेंट में और दोनों ही इंडियन वियर में नजर आई। तो वहीं आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, आमिर खान जैसे सितारे भी नजर आए।
Taken that vision forward and even more gloriously, and ready to do so much more. I think that's perfect for today, you know, to kind of get the children more and more involved and more aware, more educated, enhance their knowledge and their awareness about India, and take pride in being Indian like we all do and we always have, you know, throughout our lives. So I think it's great to take that vision forward.
I'm most excited, you know, since Neeta and Mukesh had told us about this very special theatre that they've been making. Since then, I've really been wanting to come and see it, and today's the first day, it's the opening night, and we're also looking forward to the play that they have produced and which Feroz has directed. So it promises to be a real spectacle.
Really does. What would you like to see from a cultural centre like this?
Well, I think it's a great opportunity for us to see content or material that is being made which needs a platform like this. You know, material that's made from all over the world which now can perform over here.
I just think, you know, Neeta has spent so many years trying to get this. I think I'm wrong. I think 10, 12 years back we've been discussing this, and she's been talking to me. She showed me the blueprint. It was designed in a bigger way, differently. Now it's designed very differently, and it is such a spirit of passion here. It's such a journey of passion here, and someone who's followed art herself, and we all do follow art, but we don't create something which facilitates art.
It's so rich in arts, music and various cultural aspects, but I think bogged down by a certain level of economic depravity. We've been stuck, but now it's economic situation is an upsurge, so arts and music are coming up. So a center like this in Mumbai is a real boon to bring that back. It's fantastic that Netaji has invested her heart and soul into making this happen. That's really wonderful.
मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है कि इतना ग्रांड जो ये हो रहा है, एंड अंबानी जो परिवार शुरू से आर्ट एंड कल्चर को मतलब इतना प्यार और देते हैं, और उसके बाद में उन्होंने ये जो इतना बड़ा ये कल्चर सेंटर खोला है, जो मोस्टली यूरोप में since 99 I'm playing, you know, abroad, you know, I played like 50-60 countries, played at Lincoln Center, I played at Sydney Opera, but I will say this is gonna be, you know, India में perform करेगा, and I'm looking forward. थर्ड को मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ, मेरा शो already sold out है actually, and I'm feeling very grateful and
और आइए अब देखते हैं 25 सेकंड में खबर।